Picture this. You're driving to work, running late, heart already racing. Suddenly, that damn check engine light flashes on. Your stomach drops like a stone. You know the fix could be $300, but your account? $42 until Friday. So what do? You ignore it, crank the radio, drown out the rattle, pray it goes away. 2 months later, because you couldn't scrape together $300, the car dies on the highway. Tow, $200. Transmission, destroyed, $2,000. Missed shifts, another $300 gone. That $300 you couldn't pay, it just became a $2,500 catastrophe. This isn't bad luck, friend. This is math. Cold, brutal, unforgiving. This is the hidden cost of being broke. Hey, I'm Alex, and I can't stop thinking about these invisible traps, the sneaky equations keeping too many of us stuck, grinding harder every year, but never really getting ahead. If one bad day could wipe out your whole financial year, if you're tired of feeling like the game's rigged against you, stick with me. Hit subscribe, thumbs up if this is hitting home. Because today, we're ripping the mask off. We're talking about why being broke is the most expensive thing you'll ever do. Financial gurus love to say, skip the latte, cancel Netflix, save $12, as if that's the secret. Wrong. They miss the real killer, the boots theory. Rich guy buys $50 boots. Quality leather lasts 10 years. Dry feet, comfort, $50 spent. Poor guy, $10 boots. Cardboard, fall apart in months. Buys new ones again and again. 10 years later, $100 spent and wet, miserable feet. The rich guy, $50 richer and never worried. That's the trap. You pay more when you have less, a poverty premium, every single day. Toilet paper? Same story. $50, bulk at Costco, 50 cents a roll, done for months. $4, corner store, 4-pack, $1.50 a roll, triple the price for the same damn paper. Groceries, diapers, detergent, your inflation rate higher than the rich person's because you can't buy in bulk, can't lock in the deal. And banks? Don't get me started. $10,000 in the account, free everything, maybe interest. $20, one forgotten charge, $5 overdrawn, $35 fee. You borrowed $5 for a day at 700% interest. Loan shark? Jail. Bank? Policy. Billions every year, sucked from people who have the least. Just don't spend what you don't have, they say. Sure, in theory. But when money stress hits, your brain literally loses 13 IQ points, like missing a full night of sleep. Survival mode eats your bandwidth. Long-term thinking? Gone. That's why the payday loan at 400%, the lottery ticket, fast food over cooking. Not dumb, desperate. The rich don't just save money on boots, they save mental energy. No panic about wet feet means more brain power to build, invest, grow. You, trapped in low-level panic every day. Cars, housing, laundry, food, everything costs more when you're broke. Money, time, energy, hope. You're renting your whole life, shelter, stability, future. But here's the truth that changes everything. You can break the equation. Understanding this math, that's your weapon. Paying off 20% credit card debt, guaranteed 20% return. No stock beats that. Buy the $50 toaster that lasts, real ROI. First goal isn't get rich, it's stop the bleeding. Build the buffer. That $1,000 emergency fund, it's not boring advice, it's revolutionary. Flat tire? Annoyance, not crisis. Bulk buys, lower premiums, small fixes before disasters. It flips you from defense to offense. Stop asking, can I afford the monthly payment? Start asking, what's the lifetime cost? Get angry at the math. Use that fire. Audit your life. Find the vampire costs, the biggest leak. Cut everything else ruthlessly until you plug it. Side hustle a weekend? Sell old stuff? That's not extra cash. That's a strike against future pain. This fight is unfair. From 0 to 10K takes 10 times the grit as 10K to 100K. Wind in your face at the start. But once you see it, poverty isn't failure. It's a penalty. You stop blaming yourself. You start attacking the traps. Buy boots that last. Buy freedom to say no to bad deals. Buy your way out, one smart move at a time. If this woke something up in you, if you realize you've been paying the poverty tax blind, share this right now. Someone needs it. We talk wins too much. Traps, not enough. Subscribe if you want more hidden truths unpacked, more ways to fight back. You've got this. Start building that buffer today. Your future self is already thanking you. Thanks for listening. Go win.